You know that feeling? That knot in your stomach when you realize your digital assets aren't as secure as you thought? In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, protecting your investments isn't just a recommendation, it's a necessity. With stories of hacks and exploits making headlines, the question isn't if you need to secure your crypto, but how. And when it comes to your Beam wallet, taking those extra steps can be the difference between peace of mind and pure panic. Beam is a privacy-centric cryptocurrency, offering confidential transactions by default. This inherent privacy is a huge advantage, but it doesn't mean you can slack on your personal security. Think of it like this: your Beam transactions are private, but your wallet itself is still a target for anyone looking to get their hands on your hard-earned Beam. From sophisticated phishing attempts to brute force attacks, the threats are real and constantly evolving. That's why understanding and implementing enhanced security measures for your Beam wallet is absolutely crucial. It's about building layers of defense, making it exponentially harder for anyone to compromise your funds. Today, we're diving deep into practical, actionable steps you can take right now to add extra security to your Beam wallet. First and foremost, let's talk about your wallet password. This isn't just a simple login, it's the first and often most critical line of defense. When creating your Beam wallet, you're prompted to set a password. Don't fall into the trap of using something easily guessable like your birthday or password 123. A strong password should be a minimum of 10 characters, ideally 16 or more, and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Think of a passphrase rather than a single word. A string of unrelated words can be incredibly strong and easier to remember. And whatever you do, never reuse passwords from other online accounts. If another service you use gets breached, your Beam wallet won't be compromised by association. Next up, your seed phrase. This is arguably the most important element of your Beam wallet's security. Your seed phrase is the master key to your funds. If you lose access to your device, or if your wallet gets corrupted, your seed phrase is the only way to recover your Beam. Because of this immense power, its security is paramount. When you create your wallet, you're given a series of words, your seed phrase. Write this down physically on paper, multiple times, and store these copies in different, secure, and geographically separate locations. Think a fireproof safe at home, a safety deposit box, or even with a trusted family member. Do not store it digitally, no screenshots, no cloud storage, no text files. A digital copy is a liability, not an asset. Anyone gaining access to your digital devices could find it. Consider using a hardware wallet for significant amounts of Beam. While the Beam wallet software itself is robust, a hardware wallet adds an entirely new layer of physical security. Devices like Trezor offer dedicated, offline storage for your private keys. This means your keys are never exposed to your internet-connected computer, significantly reducing the risk of online theft. When you want to make a transaction, you connect the hardware wallet, verify the transaction on the device itself, and then approve it. It's an extra step, but for serious holdings, it's an invaluable safeguard. Another crucial habit to adopt is regular software updates. The Beam wallet developers are constantly working to improve security and fix potential vulnerabilities. Running an outdated version of the wallet software leaves you exposed to known exploits. Make it a point to check for and install updates as soon as they are released. This proactive approach ensures you're always benefiting from the latest security enhancements. Finally, be vigilant against phishing and social engineering attacks. Scammers are incredibly sophisticated. They might send you emails or messages impersonating Beam support, asking for your seed phrase or private keys. Remember, legitimate support will never ask for this information. Always double-check the sender's address, and if something feels off, err on the side of caution. Never click suspicious links, and only download wallet software from the official Beam website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.